practice, we are going to be circling the important information. So choose one color. So I want you to underline our circle 30 times. 30 divided by, how many times can you practice in each hour? 6. So 30 divided by 6 is our equation. Now, it says, how many hours does she need to practice? What is our sentence going to sound like? She needs to practice 5 hours. Or Nina needs to practice 5 hours. We are going to type that in there. So